Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I am boiling the water and from my little spoon box. And I want to do it with this beautiful glass bottle, a glass teapot. And I do not like to use the drain. I like the tea freely flowing by itself. It's more comfortable. I raise it a little bit. Now I put in my beautiful flower, and I got it from Huangshan this time, and there is something beautiful about it, good about it. It's so clean, so nice, right? So we will do a cup of tea. It's evening time, good for night time. That's a lot. One more. One more. Okay. One more. Okay. That is it. Then I put in hot water. This you can put more, you can put less, and start to show a little bit of the yellowish, greenish color. And the green comes from 叶绿素. I think I know the Chinese word is 叶绿素. 叶 is leaf, 绿 is green, 素 is elements. So the elements, the chemical elements in the leaf that makes the leaf green color. I think it's a chlorophyll or chlorophyll, something, chlorophyll. And in Chinese, 叶绿色 and 叶绿素 is a chlorophyll, and there is 胡萝卜素 is actually carotene. Anyway, oh, look at the color start to show up. We let it we need a little bit longer spoon. Okay, I will use a ceramic. How about this? Is actually a ceramic spoon for chili pepper sauce in Chinese restaurant. And this is a ceramic knife. Doesn't go well with the color, don't you think so? This one, a little bit too short. This one, let's go with this one. It's just a stir, right? Oh, look at the color, so pretty. So that's the tea we are going to drink. It is good for falling asleep. Now you will take a look. We shall zoom in. See the flower. this one. This flower. Look at it. Gosh, it's amazing. Which cup do I use? Eeny, meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. Both are good. Let's try this one. So that is the color. Now we try this one. And we can refill water later on. Isn't it pretty? That's something good about new tea. It feels so clean. It feels so refreshing. Yeah, that's a good tea. Okay, just in case you do not know where to get it, I put it on my Etsy shop. It's under the description of this video. You can take a picture, you can take a look, and I will take some picture of this tea so that you can see how it looks. Okay. Wow, it's so pure. So very pure. Okay, so this is it. And today we are doing a little bit more ceremonial. But in ordinary days, I will just use my big mug. Yeah, get a big mug of water and cleansing your body. Next morning you wake up, go to toilet, and your body is cleansed. That will be so good. That's so good. Oh my goodness. It's so pleasant. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu bye bye. Oh, so good.